Hello everybody, this is Out of the Box Unboxing, and in today's episode I'm going to review the drill bit sharpener made by Parkside. You can buy it in your nearest Lidl shop. And yes, what I want to say about general quality of this device, I think it's the first impression is rather good. It feels that it's screwed properly. It's quite light, but I think it's mainly due to the low power of the engine, which is only 90. It's here, but it's not mentioned in this. Oh yes, 95 watts, which is enough, because only what this device needs to do is turn around the grinding stones, and actually together inside of the package you will get 3 of them. One is already installed, and you get the 2 spare ones. This is from the positive side. Negative side, it's that stone that it's already installed, it's a little bit off course. It's not turning perfectly circling, it's not circling perfectly, but you can see it's not vibrating, but it's not in the center. Second thing, quality of the stones that are in the package. My gut feeling is that they are quite, how to say, soft, that they will not withstand long time. I don't know how to say it more precisely, but this is my impression of those stones that are implemented, and I don't expect that the stone which is installed already it's with different quality. Other thing is noise. This sharpener is quiet. I will try to show it. Maybe you will be able to distinguish. But okay, sorry. And you see how the device is vibrating. I will just keep it on my hand, and please see the vibration. Yes, this is what I'm talking about. So, in my opinion, actually in those days it's better to buy good quality drills, and if you are daily user for simple DIY usage, you will not need such device. If you are professionalists, you may consider, but please take into consideration that you need to invest in soon. You most likely will be able to you will be forced to invest in other stones. Okay, thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye.